Okay, due to some technical issue, we got disconnected. So I'll start it again, definitely. So, hello guys, hello viewers. My name is Sunny Mehra, and I'm the India manager of Call the Rockies. I'm representing this college, and Call the Rockies is a very popular college in British Columbia. British Columbia is also a very popular province. So, about this particular college, I will discuss each and every thing related to the programs, what is the eligibility criteria, how to apply with Call the Rockies, what about the intakes, and what are the latest updates and information provided by our international team. But before that, I would like to thank Apple Abroad Solutions for conducting this particular session for our students and definitely allowing me to host this particular session on behalf of them. So, not without further ado, definitely we'll start from the college. Obviously, as I said, we are in British Columbia. British Columbia province is very popular province in terms of their success rate and job opportunities as far as the international student is concerned. Call the Rockies is also in number one ranking in student satisfaction ratio. I'm talking about the international student satisfaction ratio because we are providing an each and every support to our student at the day of their course. Definitely, we are providing a dedicated free airport pickup to each and every student at the time of their arrival. Obviously, they have to inform 7 to 10 days before their arrival to the college, and we'll be providing airport pickup to each and every student. As I said, this particular college called the Rockies is very popular college. We are in British Columbia. We have 5 regional campuses and one main campus, which is Cranbrook. So Cranbrook is a city. This particular city is very much popular and very modern city as compared to other cities in British Columbia because uh, their industry runs on hospitality, mining, construction, and tourism business. So there are lots of international tourists go there and enjoy their vacations, and definitely the economy runs on these kind of businesses also. So it's a good opportunity for the international student to get more job opportunities as compared to general students. Although it's far from Vancouver and Calgary, I mean, from Vancouver, it's a 80 minutes flight distance, and from Calgary, it's 40 minutes flight distance. But yes, it's in regional area, but there are lots of job opportunities, lots of career oriented things, and the good thing about this particular city, affordability is the main factor for Indian students, obviously, because they are looking for those kind of programs, those kind of colleges who are providing a good quality education in very affordable fee structure, obviously. So yes, as a public college, it's our responsibility to provide a quality of education in very affordable manner. Call the Rockies is very, aggressive and very proactive in the student engagement things. As I said, we have a dedicated team for our student engagement, what you can say, section. We have different types of programs with us, so definitely I will discuss each and program in later time, obviously, but definitely right now I will discuss about the facility and what are the good opportunity for the student in Cranbrook city. As I said, each and every student will allow to work 20 hours as a part timer per week. So yes, we are providing some job options to the student, a part-time job option to the student, and we will be helping them to get part-time job within a city because they have to stay in the city. Their homestay will be in the city, so definitely they'll be getting job in the city also. We are providing a free bus pass to each and every student so that the commuting thing will be easy for them within a city. As far as the living expenses concerned, Call the Rockies and this particular city, Cranbrook, is very affordable. What you can say, living expenses as compared to other big cities like in Vancouver, Calgary, Brampton. These cities are already very expensive and overpopulated. Students are not getting that kind of job opportunities in these cities, and if they are getting underpaid. But in Cranbrook City, there are lots of job opportunities. Wages are very good. $10 to $15 are the minimum wages what students will be getting in their part-time work. As I said, 20 hours part-time work is allowed to each and every student. And as far as the fee structure is concerned, for each and every program, our fees is very affordable. It's 12,700 annually. So our per semester fee will be 6,325. Yes, you're right. It's 6,325. It's our per semester fee. You can definitely compare with other colleges. As far as the public college is concerned, our fee structure is very affordable and very competitive as compared to other public institutes. Because we believe, as I said, we are more into the quality of the student, and we are providing a quality education in very low tuition fee, obviously. As a public college, it's our responsibility and an accountability towards our student to provide them a good support and a good quality of education simultaneously. As I said, College of the Rockies is a very popular college. It's very old college. It was established in 1975 as Kootenai Community College, and it got its name College of the Rockies in 1995. So it's a very old and reputed college. So you can definitely, compare and you judge how good is this particular college is. So as I said, the programs, we have different types of programs for each and every stream. If I talk about arts, science, commerce, definitely we have different types of program, multiple options for the student. We have associate degrees also. We have diplomas also. We have 2 years of PG diploma also in sustainable business practices. We have 4 years of BBA also for the student who want to pursue their higher education in BBA with a complete degree. We have two most important and very popular program, which is criminal and social justice and tourism management diploma. In these two programs, we don't require mathematics in their +2, but for rest of the programs, we definitely require mathematics. So in associate degrees, we have 6 associate degrees, which is in Associate of Arts, Associate of Social Work, Associate of Commerce and Economics. Then we have Associate of Science, Associate of Environmental Science, and Pre-Biomedical Science. So yes, we have different criteria, eligibility criteria in associate degrees, but definitely students will be getting more, opportunities after completion of associate degrees, because these programs are works under 2+2 module. So after completion of 2 years of this associate degree, student will be getting a university transfer into University of Victoria and University of Lethbridge with credits. So yes, student will be getting a university transfer after completion of associate degrees with full credits. We have diploma programs also for business students, also business management diploma in accounting, marketing, financing, general. We have one program which is very popular in amongst the student who are looking for health related program, which is kinesiology. So kinesiology is very good program for those students who want to pursue their higher education in health sector. Kinesiology is basically on the muscle strengthening and muscle study basically. So it's similar to physiotherapy. The most important thing, we have only one PG program. As I said, it's in sustainable business practices. So this particular program is also a very popular program because anybody from any stream can apply for this particular program. There is no restriction, no bars for this particular program. But yes, mathematics is compulsory. 50% marks in 12th standard we required in mathematics. But definitely, if student will be meeting the eligibility criteria, we will be entertaining from any stream for this particular program. Then we have, as I said, criminal and social justice and tourism management diploma. For these two programs, we don't require mathematics. For UG program, the general requirement will remain same. Obviously, for each and every program, our general requirement will remain same. In 10th standard, in 12th standard, we want 50% marks in 4 core subjects. I repeat, in 10th and 12th standard, we want 50% marks in 4 core subjects. And our IELTS requirement will be 6 no band less than 6 for UG programs and 6.5 no band less than 6 for PG program. Yes, our IELTS requirement will be 6, no but less than 6 for UG, and 6.5, no but less than 6 for PG. As I said, we have only one PG program, so IELTS requirement will be 6.5, no but less than 6. We are also accepting PT. So PT requirement will be for UG program. In each module, we want 50 points. I mean, no module less than 50 for UG program. And for PG program, no module less than 58. This is the PT requirement. For UG, 50, and for PG, 58. We are also accepting TOEFL, which is minimum score of 81. Due to this current scenario, we are also and we have also started accepting Duolingo also, because we were getting some what you can say feedbacks and requests from our students also, and obviously our consultants also, that start taking Duolingo. We have a great discussion with the international team, and now we have started accepting Duolingo, which is with the minimum score of 110. Yes. If you don't have your IELTS with you, if you don't have your PT with you, you can definitely apply with Duolingo with a minimum score of 110. And one more important thing, what I got from my international team day before yesterday, that they have started accepting student without their +2 mark sheets also. Yes, we are accepting application without +2 mark sheet. You have to share your 10th and 11th mark sheet to apply any of the program. Yes, we are entertaining student with 10th and 11th mark sheet, along with the English proficiency. Obviously, it could be IELTS, it could be PT, it could be TOEFL, or definitely Duolingo. If you want to apply with definite Duolingo, we can accept a minimum score of 110. For those students who don't want to pay the tuition fee of 1 year tuition fee, because definitely for this particular college we need to pay a 1 year tuition fee deposit to get yourself enrolled. But in this particular scenario, in this current scenario, we can entertain student, and we will be providing an LOA with 1 semester tuition fee also, which is 6,325. So it's an open doors for each and every student who want to go to College of the Rockies for their higher studies. Because our international team is working very proactively and very aggressively towards the support system of the student. They are supporting their student in each and every aspect. So yes, as I said, our annual fee is 12,700 and a semester fee is 6,325. It's very affordable. You can definitely compare with other colleges. It's quite competitive. The most important thing about the facility what we are providing to our students, obviously. So as I said, free or airport pickup is there, dedicated mentorship support is there for each and every student. If students are facing any kind of difficulty in their academics, we are providing a dedicated mentor to each and every student, so that they can understand and they can communicate with their mentor and ask any query. And like in Indian student, we are more dependent on their tuition culture. So yes, we are providing a same atmosphere to them by providing them a dedicated mentor also, so that they can help them out in their academics, their practical making, their project making, and anything they want to discuss with them. We have a digital library, we have a high-tech lab, we have Olympic size big track and ground with College of the Rockies, we have a mini hospital, we have a dedicated team for student support and engagement system. For each and every intake, we are conducting dedicated career and job fairs in our main campus, which is Cranbrook. So it is a good opportunity for the student, so that they can interact with the companies and they can ask and they can raise and they can definitely get an opportunity to work with the reputed companies in Canada in their post-study work visa, obviously. So as I said, for each and every program, we are providing 3 years of post-study work visa after completion of your program. Majority of the programs are for 2 years. For each and every program, we are providing 3 years of post-study work visa, 3 years of PSWP for each and every program. As far as the eligibility thing is concerned, as I said, we have different criteria, different eligibility criteria for each and every subject. As I said, mathematics is very much compulsory for each and every program except criminal and social justice and tourism management diploma. So you can definitely coordinate with Apple Abroad Solutions for better information and better assessment for their for your application and about your program, obviously. We are not accepting any kind of open school of learning and open board as of now. We can accept only regular student with regular schooling, obviously, and regular college, obviously. The maximum backlogs what we can accept after completion of 3 years of bachelor's will be 6 backlogs. So maximum 6 backlogs what we can accept of 3 years of bachelor's, and for 4 years of bachelor's definitely we can accept maximum 8 backlogs. So maximum 8 backlogs what we can accept after completion of your 4 years of bachelor's, like BBA and some kind of engineering programs also. So as I said about the gap, let me give you some more information about the gap. See, after completion of +2, you can apply with maximum gap of 3 years. Yes, maximum gap of 3 years, a qualification gap of 3 years after +2, you can apply with College of the Rockies. And after bachelor's, the maximum gap what we can accept is 5 years, but it should be justified. You have to justify your gap. As I said, right now we are accepting Duolingo, we are accepting what you can say, one semester tuition fee for your enrollment also. Offer letter. Yes, this is the very most important, very common question asked by our student also, and definitely from the consultant's point of view also, offer letters. So usually we are providing offer letter in 7 days, but in this particular scenario, due to COVID-19, our international team is working very proactively towards the offer letter thing. So yes, we are providing our offer letter in 2 to 3 days. Yes, in 48 to 72 hours, we are providing the offer letters. So if you want to pursue your higher studies in British Columbia, because it's a very popular province, our individual, as far as the College of the Rockies is concerned, let me tell you, our individual visa success rate is 98%. So our overall visa success rate is very good as compared to other cities and other colleges, because we are in British Columbia. British Columbia is always a very good and very successful province in terms of visa grant. So yes, student will be getting more job opportunities. There are lots of big options after completion of your program. In your post-study work visa also, you will be getting more benefits with a relevancy. I mean, you have to pursue your post-study work visa in a relevant field, obviously. So you'll be getting more opportunity in the city also. As I said, living expenses is very good. You will be saving lots of money in terms of earning also, and in tuition fee also. So definitely it's a good opportunity for you guys. For more information, you can definitely coordinate with Apply Board Solution. You can share your application with Apple Abroad Solution, but the deadline will be 25th of May. Yes, we can accept application till 25th of May only. Right now, we are open for September intake. We can entertain student for September intake, but the deadline will be 25th of May. You have to apply before 25th of May for Call the Rockies, because we will not be able to entertain any application after 25th of May. Because we do have seats right now, but I can't assure you about the future scenario. Yes, we are open for September intake, and we will be entertaining student for September intake. So I request you kindly share your application. Application fee will be $100. It's not refundable, but before deducting any application fee, we will do an assessment to each and every application, because it's our protocol to give you a complete assessment of your profile, and after assessment you will get an email that you will be eligible. Then you can fill your form and you can share with the Apple Abroad Solutions for your further what you can say processing. So, due to this COVID pandemic, there are lots of uncertainty in the education industry. But definitely, you will be getting a good support from College of Rockies in your academics, also in your living thing. Also, definitely the minimum living, pardon me, living thing will be 150 to $200 minimum weekly charges for living expenses. So there are very good homestay facility within a city. Definitely college will be help you to find out some more good homestay facility within a city, because this city is full of hotels, eateries, restaurants, bars, and departmental stores, malls, theaters, movie halls. So this particular city is very good attraction in the international tourist. They come to this city and they enjoy their adventure sports, recreational activity, enjoy their vacation and spend money. So student will be getting more earning because they'll be getting tips from the tourist also, like $5, $10. They are getting tip from them. So it's a add-on earning situation for them. So as I said, we are open for September intake. You can apply for September intake and you can share your application with Apple Abroad Solutions. They are very well experienced consultant in the city, obviously, and we have a very good relationship with them, and we are supporting them very proactively. As I said, offer letter TAT will be 2 to 3 days, which is 48 to 72 hours. So apart from that, apart from this, if you have any query, you can definitely discuss, and you can tell me in the comment section. Yes, I think we are getting some good queries. Yes, we have a Aarti Sharma asked me a question about the course in legal education is good. So yes, we have a course in criminal and social justice. So this particular program, criminal and social justice, is very good program in legal education, in law things, because student will be getting more job opportunities in border security forces, in backend team of police department. There are some compliance and legal team in big MNC companies, like employment laws and the compliance team. So there'll be a good opportunity for the student after completion of the criminal and social justice. I'm talking about the white collar jobs only. Yes, student will be getting a white collar job after completion of the criminal and social justice. Yeah, so BBA 4 year BBA is a very good option for the student who want to pursue their higher education with a degree. So definitely BBA is a very popular and very good program for the student who want to pursue their higher studies. Yes, so after completion of BBA, student will be getting 3 years of post study work visa, obviously. Okay, so Mr. Rohit asked me about the current scenario of COVID-19. What are the opportunity? What are the major threats and all the study abroad? See, Rohit, as far as the current scenario is concerned, each and every institute are coming up with a good, what you can say, support and different, what you can say, leverages in terms of their academics. So definitely, College of Rockies is also giving good support to our students also. As I said, we are now accepting Duolingo, and we are now accepting what you can say 1 year of one semester tuition fee for their LOA. So after this particular pandemic ends, definitely everything will come back on the track, and we will be catering our student like our previous what you can say what we were doing earlier. So due to this particular pandemic, yes, we have some restrictions, we have some challenges with us, but yes, September intake is still open for each and every program. So students are free to apply with Call the Rockies, and we are providing the offer letter, and we are providing the LOA as soon as possible. So yes, $100. Archana asked me what are the charges of a letter. So $100 is the minimum. What you can say application fee, but shouldn't have to pay. This is non-refundable fee, but as I said, definitely it's our protocol to do an assessment for each and every application. Okay. So yes, let me check some more queries. So Atul asked me about the location. So Atul, yes, location is quite far from the big cities like Vancouver, Calgary. As I said, it's in regional area, but there is a very good benefit and very good opportunity for the international student to pursue their higher education from a regional area, because there is a lots of success ratio in terms of visa also. Definitely student will be saving lots of money after completion of their program also, and they'll be getting more job opportunities in the regional area as compared to bigger cities like Vancouver, Calgary, Brampton, Ontario. These kind of Toronto, these kind of cities are very expensive. So standard of living is although very high, but the living expenses is also very high in this particular city. So, but in Cranbrook City, living expenses is very low. Students will be earning lots of money. They will be saving lots of money. So there is no struggle part in their life in terms of their job opportunities. Because College of the Rockies believes to eliminate each and every struggle from their life, they want to definitely provide them a quality education without any what you can say struggle, obviously. So I think we have a query again. Yeah. So Archana asked me about the campus placement. Archana, as I said, for each before every intake, we are conducting a career and job fair for each and every student who want to pursue their post-study work visa. So yes, student will be getting more job opportunities after completion of their program, because we are providing a dedicated career and job fair in the campus only. So companies will come to our campus, they hire the student, they'll definitely communicate with them, and they interview them, and there is lots of brainstorming over there. So yes, student will be getting more job opportunities as compared to other colleges, because we have a dedicated team, dedicated support system for each and every student. So as I said, we are open for September intake. Yes, we are entertaining for September intake, but the time is right now. I want to share each and every student that you can definitely apply right now for your higher education, because this is the time, because in future you don't know, and we also don't know how much seats it will be there with Colta Rockies. But the last date will be 25th of May. So before that, I would like to tell you, please apply for with your application and share your application with Apple Abroad Solutions. So, Deepak Kumar. So, there is no course related to logistic management. We don't have any specific program for logistic management. So, I think I have shared lots of information related to Call the Rockies. But if you have any query related to your profile and related to your queries, you can definitely coordinate with Apple Abroad Solutions for your queries for your applications. You can also visit our website, which is www.cotr.bc.ca. For more information, you can definitely search for your related program, and you can see the program logogram over there, and you can definitely learn more about the college also. So I would like to wrap up this session now, and I would like to thank the entire team of Apple Abroad Solutions for allowing me to conduct this particular session, allowing me to host this particular session for the benefit of the student also. So thank you so much, guys. Thanks for your time. Stay safe, stay healthy, and share your application with Apple Abroad Solutions for September intake. This is Sunny Mehra. I'm from Call the Rockies. Bye bye.